In this video, I'll go over how to cancel a TapTap send transaction and if you can. So there are certain scenarios where you can and can't. So first, once a transfer is in progress, you cannot cancel it. But if it's a cash pickup transfer that has not yet been collected, TapTap Send may be able to assist with a refund, but this only applies to specific services like Cash Plus, Wizall or Viettel, depending on the country. Now, bank transfers or mobile money transfers, except some cases in Ghana, cannot be modified or cancelled. If the phone number was entered incorrectly, the funds generally cannot be reversed. If a transaction fails, is refunded or is cancelled automatically, the funds are returned according to usual banking timelines, typically 3 to 5 business days or up to 10 business days for the US and Canada. So here is what you can do. First, you can check the status of your transfer in the app to see where it stands. If it's still claimed as in progress and isn't eligible for cancellation, then you can do the following. You can go and contact TapTap Send support, which you can do by opening the app, then going to account in the bottom right. From there, click support, and then in the bottom, click contact us. Now be prepared to supply your transfer ID. Now, if it is a cash pickup transfer that has not yet been collected and falls under supported providers, you may request a refund through the previous strategy as well by contacting TapTap Send's support. So those are the scenarios in which you can cancel your TapTap Send transaction and how to do it. Now, unfortunately, if you did a bank transfer and you just want to cancel it, then that is not an option. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.